secret of my anti-COVID drink. Yeah, this is one thing that I used to have in the morning, and so go under the sunshine in the garden. Yeah, take a look at it. So I slice two slices of this lemon and then put it on a cup. Add some virgin coconut oil on it. Wow, just a little bit. I think that's enough. And then after that, I have to pour hot water. And also I have to add a pinch. Yeah, this pinch is an amazing mixture of garlic, ginger, chili, salt, and a little vegetable oil on it. And it's very strong. It enhances the taste. And you can put it in any food, not only in hot water. And this one would help you boost your immune system. And it drives flu away, it drives your cold away, and it's a very good. I always have to have it in the morning during these COVID times. Well, if you find it interesting, please don't forget to subscribe and check it out. Up to date. Hope you enjoy. Cheers.